Stand by, Charlie.
Sorry. Sorry about that. Crikey me.
That down, Digby.
Sorry, what's your dog's name?
Digby. I'm Charles. Good to see you.
Sorry. Sorry about that.
He's a good guard dog.
So, what's he guarding?